It was very encouraging to receive that email from YouTube about the progress of the channel during the last 12 months. And so I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all those people who have watched my videos, those of you who have subscribed, and for all the lovely comments that I have received. If you haven't subscribed, then please consider hitting the subscription button, which is on the bottom right hand side of your screen on your mobile phone or tablet, and also hit the bell icon, which is on the home page of the channel. Then you'll be notified by YouTube each time I release a new video. I have 3 videos coming out before the end of 2020, and then I'm already working on the first one to be released on the 9th of January 2021. So thank you very much for all your support, and please do take care.